What is up? We had somebody ask how to do some stuff and put it in slope-intercept form. Well, you're about to learn. Okay, first off, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Only thing that's important is m and b. X and y will stay x and y. You can't change a changer. That's a phrase that people use a lot. I didn't just make it up. Okay. So really all you have to do to get these equations in this form up here is get y by itself. So we got to get everything away from y. So we do with what's furthest away on this side of the equal sign, okay, which would be this 9x. So we just subtract 9x from both sides. So it's negative 7y equals. Now, whenever we write this equation, we want it to be the x stuff in the front. So we're just going to shove this mug right in the front. Push this little fella back. So we negative 9x minus 7. If I'm going too fast, well, guess what? Just stop and pause. All right, now we got to get rid of the negative 7 over here. So we do the opposite. Don't add 7. Everybody always wants to do that. It's negative 7 times y. So you do the opposite, which is divide by negative 7. Now you're going to divide everything. That goes away, which is what we want. All right, that was weird. Okay, then we divide there, which would just be 9 over 7. X, and then we divide here as well, which would just be positive 1. And you're done. You've got a slope-intercept form. All right, I'll do the other ones just for funsies because, well, that's what I'm here for. Again, get the y by itself. We subtract x. That goes away. Negative 3y equals. I want to push that in the front, so we negative x plus 6. It's still a positive 6, even though we're shoving that negative in front of the x in there. Because it's already in front of the x, so we don't have to add it to the front of the 6 as well. Now, we divide by negative 3. Negative 3 goes away there. We go there. And now, remember, what's always in front of that x? It's a 1. So it's like saying negative 1 is in there. So it'd be negative 1 divided by negative 3, which is positive 1 over 3. We don't want to put it in a decimal because it's a slope, and a slope is always, rise over run, so it's easier if it's not in a decimal. We keep it in a fraction. The b, this side over here, I'd put it in a decimal if you wanted to, but no, let's go ahead and do it. 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. You're done with that one as well. Last two, speed round. Subtract 11x from both sides. Get rid of that. Negative 4y equals negative 11x plus 32. Divide by negative 4 on everything. That would be y equals. And then these two right here would just be positive 11 over 4x. And then we do this right here, which would be negative 8. Last one. That's the final lap. You thought I was going to say countdown. So we subtract 11x from both sides. That goes away. Negative 8y equals, and then this goes in the front. Minus 48, and then we just divide negative 8 by everything. That gets rid of that. Y equals, and there'd be a positive 11 over 8. Two wrongs make a right in math. And then negative 48 divided by negative 8 is a positive 6. And that's your answer there. And that's the slope-intercept formula. If you get a chance, please subscribe and tell your friends. I'd appreciate it. Peace!